Welcome to the Road Roar. Today, we dive into the beast that is the 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory, a machine built for pure speed, precision, and heart-pounding performance. If you're a fan of superbikes, get ready, because this one's going to blow your mind. Power and performance. At the core of the RSV4 Factory lies a 1099cc V4 engine, pushing out a monstrous 217 horsepower. This isn't just about raw power, it's about how Aprilia delivers it. With an improved electronics suite, optimized aerodynamics, and MotoGP-inspired winglets, this superbike is built to dominate both the track and the streets. Cutting-edge features. This isn't just another fast bike, it's a technological marvel. The 2025 model boasts advanced traction control, wheelie control, and cornering ABS, ensuring maximum safety without compromising performance. Plus, with semi-active Öhlins suspension, the bike adapts to the road in real time, giving you unparalleled control. Comfort and mileage. For a superbike, the RSV4 Factory offers decent comfort, thanks to its well-padded seat and ergonomic riding position. While fuel efficiency isn't the highlight here, you can expect around 12 to 15 km/h, depending on how aggressively you ride. Tubeless tires and safety. Aprilia equips this beast with high-performance tubeless tires, enhancing grip and durability. And when it comes to stopping power, the Brembo-style brakes ensure that you can go from blistering speeds to a complete halt in seconds. Price and final thoughts. Owning this masterpiece comes at a price. Expect it to be around $26,000 in the US market. But for those who crave adrenaline, precision, and Italian craftsmanship, the 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory is worth every penny. Thanks for watching the Road Roar. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.